And it's this magical, wonderful experience, apart from the research and the science that's also obviously very present. But the main idea was just to have the connection to this place and these animals in a way that most people just never have the chance to, even people that live very close to here. And it's a very powerful experience. So when I came here for the first time, that was the driving force. Like, this is the place, this is the space where that interaction can take place. As a founder of the organization, having changed my role dramatically and I wouldn't say stepped back, but stepped aside, to allow those that are so engaged in this organization and coming up with new ideas and new energy to really spread their wings and take this idea, this place, this momentum to new great heights. Like, the leadership of this organization and the people on the ground that are running it are doing an amazing job. And that's what I would ask of the donor community, to believe in that, see the results, come visit with them. You walk out on the beach here, spend some time at the reserve, these installations, you will be just as inspired as I am. As someone that was so committed for so many years, all I want to do is support what these leaders, these staff are currently doing so they can do more of it. So one message I would say is reconnect. If the pandemic has brought you away from Ecology Project International, away from a sense of connection, away from a sense of need to engage, support, be a part of this work, now's the time to reconnect. The demand, the interest. I was just speaking with Juan Carlos we were walking back through the rainforest today. They put on their Facebook page that a student group, a local Costa Rican group, had come out here to the reserve, and they got inundated with phone calls from other schools around Costa Rica. They were saying, "Oh, you're running programs again? Why didn't you tell me? What's wrong? Are we not on the list? Have you forgotten about us? Did we do something wrong?" And Juan Carlos was saying, "No, it's just that we don't have money right now. We don't have the resources to reach out and include you all. And we know you want to be included, and we're looking for the funding and the support and to build the capacity to include you again." And hearing it straight from Juan Carlos from the schools was a reminder that now is the time to come back and redouble support for the waiting lists of students that are ready to engage and be a part of this place, and the teachers that see this place as a way to leverage the inspiration they can bring to their students. They need this place. The teachers need this place. It reinvigorates them and their sense of why they are teachers, and they need it to level up the attention and capacity of their students to do good in the world.